that side.
That's right, people. The debate has always been a highly anticipated event, and this year is no exception. We've got a fantastic panel lined up to dissect the President's speech regarding the issues facing our nation.
And what are some of those issues, Kion? What can our viewers expect to hear today?
Well, people, from economy to education, healthcare to corruption, there's no shortage of pressing concerns that require our urgent attention. So our panel will dive into these topics and more, providing experts, analysis, and insights.
Sounds like a fascinating discussion. We will be looking and listening to our panelists, fleshing out the critical issues of the country. And of course, we will be taking questions and comments live on air from our respective field reporters, political analysts, and of course, our community members.
Now we cut on to the field analysts, and let's hear what's on the mind of our community members.
The big debate.
Yes, people, this debate is gonna get epic. So grab your child, drink some water, and enjoy.
Yes, Madam President.
Yes, and distinguished representatives from all walks of life. It is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to you all as we gather in this esteemed chamber. This day, we are united by common purpose, to listen, deliberate, and to chart a path forward for our nation. Your presence here reflects the diversity and the strength of our democracy, and I thank you for joining us in this significant moment. Now, without further ado, may we please respectfully stand as we welcome our President, Mr. Ramaphosa.
Simema zonke izikhumbuzo abahlali nezihlwele ukuba zizophiyozela nathi kule mina namhlanje umqungu
A parliamentary debate in which the President will deliver his remarks and followed by the members of the Parliament from this House's political landscape. So may we please welcome our President, Mr. Ramaphosa. The floor is yours.
Madam Speaker, honorable members, esteemed guests, fellow South Africans, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Absheni, Molweni, Nda, Kuyapela, greetings to you all. Today we reflect on the past and look forward to the future under the new GNU. While the ANC has made significant progress, there is still work to be done, especially in service delivery. The ballot will ensure better education with a focus on compulsory breakout and inclusive language policies. The expropriation bill will allow land to be taken with no compensation, recognizing land wasn't justly taken. Infrastructure challenges continue, but the GNU will build on the NC's progress. Corruption, often associated with South Africa, has had its perks, but the GNU will work hard to reduce this issue. Economic inequality remains a concern, but initiatives to support jobs and